Hi everyone, Tuva here, and today is the day of the Runic yoga. The positions are exactly as the aids are done, so you can't go wrong, guys. And then just relax and just take a deep breath in before you start. So let's get down to it, guys, and enjoy it. That's the main thing. There you go, guys, that was the Runic yoga. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, you can do it when you want, but don't overdo it, because otherwise you're going to be filled with too much energies. But yeah, once a week would be great if you can find the time. I want to thank my new subscribers and really do appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy the content on my channel. And there I'm going to leave it, guys. Thank you also, before I forget, to those that are always there for me and, of course, supporting me. So, hope you're all having a great time. The weather's glorious. So wherever you are, whatever time of day, night or evening it may be, I wish you the best ever. House and Verlang.